Roomy! I am tired. Good morning, everyone. The noises. The construction's back. There's construction happening outside Tara's place, so we're just rolling with it. It's fine.
Rolling with the punches.
I have my morning coffee here. I literally feel like I'm living your life.
It's
I'm in your office, drinking your coffee.
No, our office.
You're right, yes. Our office.
It's better with you in it, so.
And just to solidify things, a package arrived for me.
I answer the door. Are you Jill Cimorelli? Yes, I am.
We've just been sitting here in the office getting a little work done, and I thought we could unbox this together. This is hilarious. I'm so dead. Oh, and happy birthday if today's your birthday.
Happy birthday if today's your birthday.
Almost forgot.
Can't forget.
People get very upset when I forget because it happens to be their birthday.
Oh no!
So this is a package from Revolve because Lovers and Friends just started a new collaboration with Recover Denim.
Oh.
So I'm intrigued. Recover Process Box. Oh, interesting. What is this? We transform textile waste into sustainable fabrics. I guess this is like some of the waste that they use to make my pants.
Wait, that's so cool.
I suppose. Let's look at the pants.
Oh, they're awesome.
Oh, they have like a little bit of a sheen to them.
I was gonna ask.
They're sort of cool looking.
Did you know that was gonna be a thing? They look kind of leathery.
Yeah, they do look sort of leathery.
Wow.
Cute little high-waisted, wide leg. They look long.
Yeah, they look really
They're gonna be really long, I think. But we'll try them on.
They look awesome.
Because I'll wear them today if they fit. I'll link them down below for you.
Nice.
There you go.
Love it.
So our plan for the day, I'm going to meet some of Tara's Toronto friends. I'm so excited. We're going out to lunch. We're actually going to Broadview Hotel. I went there for dinner one night when I wasn't vlogging. So I'm very excited to see it during the day though, because it looked very cute, but you know, it's dark, so you can't fully see everything.
And it looks like the clouds are slowly going away.
Oh yeah, it's very blue over here.
Right?
Love it.
Things are working
Another
out.
lovely day. The construction is here. Everything. Okay, we need to get ready. We only have 20 minutes until Tara's friends are here to pick us up. So it's going to be a bit of a race here. Yes, the music. Oh. Balance it twice, I mean maybe a couple of hundred times. I'm better sleeping on my own. Okay, here are the jeans. Very cute. They are long on me. So I'm gonna try them on with booties to see if like that gives me enough of a boost so I can wear them. I think it will. But I really like them. I love the little sheen on them. I don't know if that's like fully picking up, but yeah, I really like them. They're very comfortable. Big fan. Okay, let's try these on. Oh yeah. Oh, it's close. You can just roll them once. Yep. Now we just have to find a top to wear. Went with a nice basic fit, and we are off.
Classic basic fit.
Here we are. Oh, this is cute. With the nice little view. We love it. Drinks have arrived for our ladies' lunch. So good. Cheers.
Cheers, cheers, cheers. Cheers.
Oh, it looks with your nails too. Very good. Crinkle cut fries to start.
Big difference. Oh, the fries. It's on the internet. Oh, that one. Yeah.
All the matching meals, literally, except
I'm special. With this, whatever.
Yeah.
You know what? Let's go.
home after hanging with the girls. It was so much fun.
So good.
I just literally can't believe that I was like meeting your friends.
I know.
Like, how could you have friends who I don't know?
I don't know.
Make it make sense.
How did this happen? I swear, you know, we were living our lives in LA, doing our thing. The world shut down. It opens back up, and so much has changed.
I know, it's so insane.
But they're great people.
Oh yes,
Happy
it
to
was
have them.
so much fun. Great time. So glad that I got to meet them because obviously I've heard so much about them. So it is about time. And actually it's 7:45 now. Where is this day going?
It blinked by.
I can't even believe we were out for so long.
I know. God, it was so much later than
Crazy.
I thought.
We stopped by the LCBO and a grocery store too. Thanks. It's my main source of life.
It really does.
Yeah, it does a great job.
Yeah.
That way we can grab stuff because tonight we are doing something
Spicy.
literally though.
Add a little.
Just a little sprinkle of spice. Anyway, we are doing something spicy because we are going to film a truth or drink. We have put this off for a long time, and in fact, I thought like, I don't even know that I want, originally, I thought, I don't know that I want to do it.
Well, same. We were like, fuck no. We're not airing out our shit.
Yeah, I was scared of what people would ask.
Yeah.
But we have decided to do it, and I'm very intrigued. We obviously have looked through the questions that got submitted because they were on our Instagrams, but we did not like pick any of them. So we're just handing the phones off to Carter and Matthew. Carter and Matthew are coming over tonight. That I'm so excited about. I have met both of them, but I have never spent a night with them together.
Which is a complete game changer.
I'm just honored to be here for a cousin night.
They are the best kind of nights. I'm not kidding. I live for them.
I apologize for whatever this vlog turns into after this point because I think I'm gonna be smashed.
Smashy, smash, smash.
It's gonna be a time.
She'll be smashy, smash.
I'm excited though. I think it's gonna be really fun.
I agree. Just with the boys, they're gonna make it so funny. They're gonna laugh at everything. They're gonna be like, oh my God, guys.
Exactly, yeah. And here's the deal though about it. So it's actually gonna go up in a couple of weeks in November. Obviously Tara and I wanna put ours up at the same time. And since Tara's going on her little secret trip, oops. We needed to make sure that we like scheduled it at a time that made sense for her. So
thank you for being flexible.
Of course, it's basically just gonna, I don't even know, it might be the vlog for the day or it might just be a bonus video. It depends on what I have going on because that's in November and I have no idea what November will be like. But it will be up and I think probably somewhere in this vlog, I'm gonna throw in like a clip, either like one of the questions that maybe I'm not gonna include in the video or bloopers or I don't know, just a little something to give you guys something since you do have to wait a little while for it.
It keeps the hype alive.
Exactly, the suspense will be real. I think it's gonna be juicy. We're gonna be talking about some, I do not talk about stuff.
You don't really talk,
I don't talk about anything.
No.
I'm like a pretty private person for someone who puts their entire life online.
It's true, you are good at balancing.
Yeah, and so, we're gonna be answering some questions that like I get in my DMs all the time. I think they're gonna be coming up.
Stressed! Oh God.
Oh God. Okay, so it's 7:45. The boys are coming like in an hour-ish. Hopefully.
They're claiming in an hour.
Yeah.
That means probably 2.
Yeah, and so we need to prepare ourselves. We need to like set up the whole thing. And I think we're gonna take an espresso shot because I'm feeling tired. I could do nothing tonight and be very satisfied.
If we were just on the couch binging something,
it would be good.
It'd be perfect.
I really think I'm gonna throw up tonight.
Do you really think so?
I think so, yeah. I'm just thinking about the shots.
Yeah.
It's a lot of shots.
But we have pickle juice.
Yeah, totally. It will be good. I'll show you guys the stuff that we got from the LCBO. Espresso shots coming right up for us, ladies. We're gonna be wide awake, full of energy.
No energy.
I know, same.
Like
None. Cheers. Cheers.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so good.
That's delicious,
Our
eh?
first shot of the night. Oh, it tastes really good though.
It's delicious. So creamy. Shall we do a liquor haul?
Yes.
It's not very expensive.
It's huge.
Dun 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 dun!
Tito's.
2 bottles of Tito's.
That's it. And then we got popcorn.
Extra butter.
Very excited.
Yeah.
And pickles. Oh, should we test the
I was
pickles?
just about to say that. Like as soon as yes. It's gotta be the right pickle juice.
Yeah, we spent a lot of time researching these pickles. Oh, slightly concerned.
Yeah, I'm slightly concerned as well. Still my favorite pickle. It's fine.
No, but it is fine. It'll be okay.
Shall we taste the juice?
Yeah.
Oh God. No.
No?
Jill, no.
No.
It's like that sweet disgust. It's.
You're kidding.
You can just see it.
Oh, it's not great. Fuck. Well, maybe you don't have any other option.
Well,
Unless you want to go out and find something.
definitely not. We're not going out again.
We're about to set up our little station. This will be okay, I think.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Actually, I think it'll be really cool.
Right?
Sick. Yes. You know what? You want to try my wheat thin combo?
Oh, I would love. All right.
Here is my favorite snack at the moment. Wheat thins, hummus,
Yum.
and this specific
Oh, this is my
sriracha.
first time trying the sriracha.
And it's spectacular. So what you do,
There you go.
here. Oh, good, good, good. Oh, wait, is this one for me?
Yes, for
oh,
you.
I was gonna load it up for you.
Oh, I love, well, go ahead.
Okay.
Load it up for me.
Okay, this is what I do.
Love it.
And that's for you.
There you
Thank
go.
you.
Good hummus.
Right?
Good soup.
Good soup. I'm sorry, I didn't know you were.
Oh, okay. Mmm.
It's good, right?
It's really good.
It really hits the spot. You got like a nice, cool, creamy.
This really satisfies what I was needing.
I'm so happy to hear it. Okay, so we thought we would take an honorary shot with the vlog. Oh no, Jelly!
I'm gonna sample out the pickle juice.
So yeah, see something?
See if it works at all.
For some reason, like we're both in like a weird mood where just drinking doesn't sound good at all right now. We don't want to do it.
Okay, this is gonna get us into it.
We're gonna be fine.
Yeah,
It's fine. We do this all the time.
all for the content. Okay, that was okay. That was okay.
Over here, I'm like dying. I did not like that pickle juice.
Camera died, but here we are. Okay, I don't feel like sick.
No, my body just
From
is
that
really
one.
hurting for some reason.
Take some ibuprofen.
It feels like it needs a really serious crack.
Yeah. Oh, like
That was
that.
down there. Did you
Oh,
hear that?
yes. Any better?
Actually,
Little?
I think a little bit.
Okay, that's good. Cracking always helps when I can get it.
Yeah.
Okay, I guess we'll probably see you guys like one more time before we shoot the truth or drink, and then after that, I don't know. I don't know what you'll see.
We don't know what it'll look like.
We're gonna see.
Yeah.
Hello!
Hello. How's it going, Jill?
It's going great!
Hey.
Guys, I'm unprepared. Wait, where's the bottle? It's right here.
Yeah, I already got it up
Unprepared?
there for you.
All right,
For what?
for the shots.
So my breakfast, cereal. My lunch, protein shake, partially frozen pizza.
Delicious. Happy for you. Sounds really healthy.
Okay, those are the
And
two
my
easiest.
dinner,
Perfect.
allergic reaction.
No,
Dessert.
Are you allergic to something that you don't?
I don't know. It might have been like, it was like a red velvet cookie.
That's the worst thing to be allergic to.
All right, guys, are we ready?
For
do
everyone.
it.
Pizza has been ordered,
Love it.
and it's
Just backing her up.
Howdy.
So everyone's in.
time.
We did it.
I'm not
I'm
ready.
nervous.
Ugh, that nasty pickle juice. Extra healthy, extra sodium. Cheers. Oh, oh, oh. That's not bad.
Tastes so good.
Oh. Okay. That one went down.
That was
okay.
better. That was better.
At first, it was not good, and then it was fine.
How many you guys in?
Two.
This
Two.
is our second.
Oh, I didn't even get to start the party with you guys.
I know. We had to
Come
do
on,
one.
you know, we gotta get ready for this.
You gotta get ready.
Okay. Okay. Let's do this.
See you guys after the truth or drink.
Wish us luck.
Okay, there you go.
Alright, we just want to introduce ourselves as the commentators.
The video hasn't started yet. Okay. That was
As self-described sisters, we've heard of sisters sharing clothes, but sisters sharing girls, what?
So bad.
This one I will not drink for. I will tell it.
Jill has never shared her thoughts on the situation at all, ever on the internet.
There's all.
No.
Joining in on the festivities.
Down the hatch.
Down the hatch.
Yes! Okay guys, we have to continue this video.
Yes.
You eat the one slice, and you come back to doing the work that we need to get done.
Yes.
And then we can party.
It's so hard for me to do this work though.
Start from the beginning.
Yeah, I'd say that.
Now we're gonna have to get you to stop doing that. I'm so sorry.
You guys are cute.
I love you.
Shot, 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 shot. Everybody.
I'm doing it very small.
Let's get it.
Let's get it.
Cheers
To what?
to the best night of our lives. And to LA in front of gang out here.
Gang, gang, gang.
I love that for you guys.
Okay.
Ooh. Wait, is this Jill's or
Jill's.
Hi, Jill's vlog.
Yeah, this is my cousin Matthew,
Hey.
aka Jill's cousin Matthew now, and Carter.
We're all officially related.
Oh gosh.
Wow.
What time is it?
I don't know.
It's later.
It's not that late.
His grandpa's got to go to bed.
Tucker pizza.